Now, according to origin, natural suture. Okay, as I said, they are biological, organic, so they are going to cause inflammatory reaction in the body. And the example, catgut. Now, catgut material is derived from the GIT, submucosal layer of the GIT of the cat. So, catgut, gut of the cat. Then we have silk. Silk is a naturally occurring material. Like there are cloths available, and then we have silk suture available. Then we have chromic catgut. Chromic catgut क्या है? कुछ नहीं है, plain catgut treated with chromium. तो उससे क्या होगा? The normal catgut it gets resolved within 5 to 7 days, whereas chromic catgut the absorption time is doubled. So it is 10 to 14 days. Okay, that is the only difference. And then we come to the synthetic suture material. Synthetic created in chemistry lab, and then we use it. So they won't cause any inflammatory response in the body. And the options: nylon material, nylon suture, Vicryl, monocryl, Prolene, Dexone, बहुत सारे हैं. इनमें से आपको बस 2-3 याद रखने हैं जो कि इंट्राओरल क्लिनिक में यूज करने हैं. Then according to this is option, absorbable and non-absorbable. Now first, non-absorbable. In non-absorbable, nylon, Prolene, silk. Now remember, silk actually it is resorbed in the body, but it takes at least 2 years to get completely resorbed. So time बहुत ज़्यादा. That is why it is kept under non-resorbable, क्योंकि उतना time हम नहीं छोड़ते हैं. Then we have absorbable sutures. As I told you earlier, they are resorbed either by inflammatory process or by hydrolysis. इतना याद रखो, काफी है. And the examples: Vicryl, monocryl, PDS, Dexone, catgut, chromic catgut, सब ठीक है. इन सारे sutures में the most commonly used in oral surgery or dental, silk, Vicryl and catgut. Okay. बाकी सारे you might see YouTube पे या Facebook पे आप देखोगे, many people they use nylon, Prolene. The problem with these materials are like nylon की आपने rope देखी होगी, रस्सी बहुत hard होता है उनके edges. So when you use these sutures in intraoral tissue, what happens is they prick, they impinge onto the intraoral structures. Tongue है, mucosa है, so it is very irritating. Whereas these silk, Vicryl, they are multifilament and they are very loose, relaxed. तो वो कभी भी they don't irritate the surrounding tissue. That is why it is advised not to use nylon, Prolene intraorally. Of course, उनका result aesthetically it is better, but intraorally, mostly except for this anterior region, we are not concerned about aesthetics because it is hidden inside the oral cavity. I'll show you the examples. एक मैंने पूरा open करके रखा हुआ है and then मैंने सोचा कि उसके एक week बाद कुछ पता भी नहीं चलेगा. ठीक है? So this was according to absorption. Then we have material according to number of filaments. That is monofilament, single filament that forms the bulk of the suture. Okay. Then we have multifilament, like choti, braided multifilament, also called as braided sutures. So this was according to filaments. Okay. Now examples of monofilament is nylon. Now monocryl is Vicryl, just a thicker single filament. That's it. Then Prolene, PDS, Dexone, monofilament, and then multifilament में Vicryl, silk, catgut, multifilaments. इसमें as I told you earlier, सबसे commonly use होता है silk, Vicryl, catgut intraorally because they don't irritate the surrounding tissue. Okay.